In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Ryanair's website. This is a straightforward process, but ensuring you follow each step carefully will make your booking experience smoother and allow you to view prices in your preferred currency. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Ryanair's official website. This is where we'll be adjusting the currency settings to suit your needs. Once you've landed on the home page, take a look at the top of the page. You'll be able to see a variety of options, including language settings and your current location. What we're particularly interested in is the currency option, usually represented by a currency symbol or abbreviation, located typically at the top right corner of the Ryanair homepage. Click on this currency option. A drop-down menu should appear, displaying a list of available currencies. These currencies are usually presented as a series of symbols or abbreviations, such as USD for US dollars or Euro for euros. Take a moment to scroll through this list to find the currency you want to switch to. Selecting your preferred currency is an important step because it affects how all prices will be displayed throughout your travels with Ryanair. Booking flights in a currency you're comfortable with ensures you know exactly how much you're spending. Highlight your desired currency and click on it. Once you've done so, the website will automatically update to reflect this change. You'll notice that all the flight prices, baggage fees, and other costs will now appear in your chosen currency. Congratulations, you're all set to start browsing for flights or travel packages. However, keep in mind that Ryanair may apply a conversion fee. It's always a good idea to check your banking institution's foreign transaction fees, especially if you are booking flights in a currency different from your home country's, as you might incur additional charges. If you're using the Ryanair mobile app, the steps are very similar. Open the app and log into your account if prompted. Locate the settings icon, often represented by a gear symbol, which you can tap on to reveal a menu. Here, look for an option related to currency, tap it and then choose from the list of available currencies just like we did on the website. With this knowledge, you'll be able to navigate Ryanair's site with ease and efficiently manage your booking expenses. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning a one-off trip, setting your preferred currency can help you prevent any unwanted surprise costs and ensure a more transparent booking experience. Enjoy your travels, and thanks for watching today's tutorial.